The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lee County in central Mississippi, northwestern Neshoba County in east central Mississippi until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carthage, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Edinburgh and Dowdeville around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pearl River around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Philadelphia around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Standing Pine and Redwater. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.